high pressure because 380 bar gauge pressure is there. So if it is online, someone is removing, so there is a supercritical pressure chance. So one vendor just said like this, others didn't say anything. So we are checking with them whether the similar problem they will also face or not. So their recommendation still waited. But Avest clearly said they do not recommend online retractable one.
So you require a heat tracing?
Yeah.
You require heat tracing?
He has given another arrangement. The pressure will come and some sample will take, and again the same pressure will go back to the same line. Aditya, if you can, you have this schematic, his schematic, not yet, right?
No, but the point is you require a heater and you require an electrical power supply source.
Yes. That is
tubing will be
required.
sample connection from the PRS to the sample handling system will be heat tracing. So.
No, but that is your point was not clear. You wanted to say something, right?
Actually, see, is our electrical team is aware of this power supply required for this?
Yes, sir. We have issued this power utility requirement, utility consumption requirement. In that, UPS and non-UPS power is mentioned. So they are aware of it, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
And Sudeep, I'm able to see some tubing and line going to the flare header. So this is continuous bleeding, or this will be bleeding only during the maintenance and calibration?
Sir, once this analyzer sample will analyze, then it will go to the flare. So actually last time in design review also this point was discussed that flare header pressure and this pressure has to be checked with the vendor. It should be higher than the flare header line. So this point we have asked the vendor but not yet received what is their pressure will be there in the analyzer. So this point is still evaluated with the vendor, sir.
Flare header, what is the current flare pressure?
Pressure and what will be the pressure in the TDLS?
What is the current flare header pressure?
MJ, you have this information?
Yeah, no, we don't have this information. Yeah.
So
because it is not the atmospheric pressure. There is a positive pressure around 0.1 to 0.2 bar pressure. That remains there always. So this is there. There are 2 points which is going to the flare. The first, the point it will continue to get the representative sample always in the